You can dream, you can achieve it. Never let anybody put you off your goals.
There are so many Jamaicans in the diaspora, and they're doing such tremendous things in their own home countries, and we decided that let's honor them. And what better way than to take the Gleaner Honor Award and take it international.
When we did our research, we saw that we have impacted academia, we have impacted sports, we have impacted entertainment, music. There's absolutely no area that Jamaicans have not only been effective, but they have excelled and been at the top of their game.
We do things not to get awards, but when you get them, you kind of suddenly realize that all the work that you've been over the years counts for something, you know, and someone out there is watching what you're doing.
We're doing amazing things. You know, we are an amazing people. We have so much energy, vibrancy, creativity, intellect. We pioneer things, so we have to recognise and celebrate what we're doing, and to keep that inspiration going for generations who are still yet to come.
Everyone's here to share a common goal, and that's to lift each other up and lift up Jamaica.
And what's great about the Honor Awards is that we don't vote, the public votes.
Hi, I am David Morrison, Senior Blender at J. Ray & Nephew Limited. We are happy to be on board again as a sponsor of the weekly Gleaner UK Honor Awards with our brand, Appleton Estate. We look forward to hearing about the amazing achievements of our Jamaicans in the diaspora. So see you on October 26th in London, England.
Hi, I'm Brian Mitchell, Managing Director of Grace Foods UK. We're proud to be supporting the RJR Honor Awards that recognize the accomplishment of individuals and organizations that have contributed to the lives of Jamaicans. We're looking forward to seeing you all at the awards in London on Thursday the 26th of October. And we wish all the best of luck to the nominees.